Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Umi Umairah binti Badlisha and my metric number is AP1800N16. Today I want to share with you guys one technology enhancement on the construction material, which is concrete nanotechnology. But first, have you ever heard about concrete nanotechnology? Let me explain to you. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is an emerging field of science related to the understanding and control matter at nanoscale. It is also an enhancement of strength, durability, and properties of concrete. Next is the basic concept behind nano-modification of materials, which are top-down approach and bottom-up approach. So, what is top-down approach? Top-down approach is reducing large structure in dimension to nanoscale, which is from large to small, while bottom-up approach is molecular component through a process of assembly or self-assembly. But then, how does this nanotechnology implement in concrete? It happens by a mix of water and carbon nanotubes, and then they will undergo a process called acid etching, which allow the carbon nanotube to disperse throughout the water. They are allowing themselves to get in this tiny minuscule to prevent large cracks forming over time. To be more understanding, let's watch this video.
My specialty is nanotechnology in concrete, definitely doing a very small scale, so inherently I want to make sure that my values are fairly precise. Here's my granular skeleton, my cement, my collection of chemicals that I'm going to use. The trick to getting a concrete lightweight is putting air into the mix. Well, we want to control the air. The air that's entrapped in the mixture due to mixing, we're going to break those air bubbles down. So again, we're controlling the amount of air. You get your mix too soupy, the lighter weight particles, which are lighter than water, they'll pop to the top. The heavier stuff will sink to the bottom, and that's called segregation. That's very, very bad. So what we want to do is we want to use some of these nanoparticles to help us keep that universal suspension. So in a way, they act as like a viscosity modifying agent. It's all about practicality. If you're on a job site and the mix is too stiff to go into a form, you have to hire people to consolidate it. That takes time and money. With something like this where it consolidates under its own weight due to the force of gravity, and you just put that mix in, go get a cup of coffee, and you call the day good.
Yay! So that is how it implemented. But what about the advantages? There are 4 advantages. Number 1, it accelerates reaction and dissolution of C3S. Number 2, the bond get better between aggregate and cement paste. Number 3, it will double the concrete strength and increase the lifespan. Last but not least, it decrease the weight, concrete, and reduce carbon footprint. So let's go to the return of investment. It divided into 2. First, is energy costly, whereby due to required by a production of nanomaterial with high energy given the desire to move towards more sustainable cost and energy effectiveness materials. So the use of nanotechnology, concrete environment challenge to construction industry. Second is healthy and safety, where nanoparticles and concrete may act to reduce the adverse of negative health environment effects. So human exposed to nanoparticles is inevitable as nanoparticles becomes more widely used. As a result, nanotechnology research is now gained attention. Last but not least, the benefit to the society and environment. First, early strength acceleration. Next, improve concrete durability. Thirdly, reduce water absorption. And finally, ambient and heat curing temperature. So, that's all from me about concrete in nanotechnology. I hope you guys understand. So, see you soon. Bye!